So these are the things that we are doing as a university, and I believe by us working together, and I really want to appreciate the role that Mheshimiwa is doing in this particular place. We have worked in this farm. He is somebody who is now telling us that really we need to get back to where we came from so that we can be able to improve the livelihood of human beings.
So basically we are here to thank SAMI. We are also here to thank the university. We also call upon people to assist us, or rather to join our membership so that we work towards dealing with climate change. Just like the university's key elements is outreach, Kenya Horticultural Society also deals in outreach. We reach out to schools and disseminate knowledge on agriculture and various aspects of horticulture.